ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯀꯥꯝꯕ ꯃꯤꯅꯣꯇꯥ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛꯇ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 9 ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 10 ꯕꯥꯏꯑꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤ. Hello students. Today let's start a new chapter, your chapter number 18, that is natural resources. So how can we say what is natural resources? Natural resources are those substances that occur in nature and that supports human life and contribute to the fulfillment of necessities and comforts to the mankind. Habdi kaino natural resources habdi those substances ni kedoba akhoi miyoi bida ko akhoi miyoi bida akhoi da kanaba akhoi na nungai na ba akhoi comfort lai na ba akhoi necessity akhoi darkar lai ba mayam do manap tabu ngam na ba nature na piba akhoi da piba khudol gum bane ba ko natural resources habdi. So how can we define natural resources? So we can define natural resources are naturally occurring materials that are used to support life and meet the needs of the people. Okay, so here natural resources hai koina ko nature na piba ko na khoi da nature na miyoi da piba ko khoi kana na bai da makta khoi ne lo ba ya ba ko substances mayam du bu ni hai kre ado high natural resources to we can classify into two types, that is renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Habdi kaino renewable resources. So as the name indicates, maming actually ko renew to buyaba. Habdi kaino that can be regenerated. Amuk sundok buyaba ko amuk nang na form to buyaba. Habugo mani ko. So here renewable resources are inexhaustible resources. Loiben nai to ba. Ko adam renew to buyaba and can be regenerated within a given span of time. Ko matam ko akak matam amda adam renew to buyaba. Ko adugo makhagi resources mayam dubo koina renewable resources haina khangnei ko example la koina kai habi are forest laire ka forest dum renew to buyai ko adum grow tor any plants mayam do then wildlife mayam then solar energy ko yam lai to mayam su laire ko renewable resources ta then ama makhal ama gam uyeng non renewable resources na haibama ko non renewable ko min adum taksai sisu renew to ba yadaba ngamdaba haibugumani ko. So here non renewable resources are resources which cannot be regenerated. Yare ko example da kuna coal ko kuna fossil fuels ma'am digi ga sung budo ko then petroleum minerals ko adu lo na bakse non renewable resources ki makara chinga kani ba. Okay, so here kuna high renewable resources, non-renewable resources na. Ado kedo ba? Sometimes renewable resources may become non-renewable resources. Habidi kayo na. Ako na renew to pa resources ni haramaga ma do matam khara lera kanda non-renewable or pasu yawe ba. Ko maram gyeng si ko because if we exploit a particular species ko too much habidi kayo ka na species ma ko na sum exploit to bidagadi ma do matam khara lera kanda mathanda mangza ki biyai extinct oi ki biyai ba. Aduna kay habiare non-renewable resources or renewable resources or species ama habdi wildlife ki manung chinga panina ko ado ko na ka hen exploit to matamda when we exploit them too much ko keduba its population declines sa species to gi population na masing do ado ki matik decline to ko ne handara kaniba to a great extent ado ki matik handara ni keduba that it becomes endangered and finally gets extinct hartoni. That's about the renewable and non-renewable resources and how non-renewable resources become non-renewable resources. So let's do first that one renewable resources ki example aham ba koina forest ka haki ko forest to yeng se. So here forest har kari no ba ko what is forest? Forest hai tadi kaino it's a large area of land dominated by trees natra habidi pambi myam na horaga kan ba jaga mo occupy to ba area du bo koina forest haina khangne ba and that's a renewable resource makalamani ko. Then koina renewable forest resource se ko natural resource hai kari gino forest resource se koina natural resource ni hai is kagino hai tadi because we find forest in nature nature phangi ko. Then nature phangbuda na tan kai ba it can provide a large number of commercial goods ko forest gi koina commercial goods myam phangi ko kino firewood phange, then food items, gums, then rubber, bamboo, and even medicines. Forest forest it's a kind of for a natural resource. Then it also provide ecological services. Forest na akoy de kanaba mayam piba. forest the yakuna services me am phangi ko ke ke nu yeng si ko aham bada forest yakuna production of oxygen habdi kaino forest gi oxygen phangi kamai no phangi se because akuna high ko mamangda forest se ke ba is dominated by trees high ki ba plants me am the green plants me am occupy to area du bune forest high se natra aduna green plants natra ka do green plants ke do ba they are kaino high ki ba kuna autotrophic masa matanda matanjak sungje ba natra kamai targa photosynthesis have a pambai dugi matung adugi matingna plants na they produce their own food and during the process they release out what oxygen se when release to me through photosynthesis natra hariba oxygen do kana darkar laino it's essential for the respiration of animals okay then next thing see reducing global warming forest the kamaita reduce global warming reduce to ina quite main agent or main greenhouse gas high tare global warming to holistic greenhouse gases may am high reco quite main on a role city carbon dioxide never okay but carbon dioxide carbon dioxide plants in the photosynthesis to haki raw material or never carbon dioxide plants in carbon dioxide subsalaga photosynthesis tawraga akoida oxygen pithorokiba plants say they act as an absorbent for carbon dioxide then which will ultimately lead to the reducing of global warming to reduce the so that's about the ecological services provided by the forest neighbor okay next thing say forest they are a habitat for wildlife habitat millions of wild animals and plants masai forest to laiba masing tingam draba sanga pambi mayamgi mokogi natural habitat neba forest say then next kai habiari soil conservation to boda samateng pangi kamai taroga haita de kai da masai forest laidu kaino pambi neba masai high record trees na dominated by trees no mafam du bune na forest habse adu tadi forest to kamai na how no mokona soil da mokoi maradu na pharaga laineba du tadi forest am la forest no hadi forest trees am how taragadi kadawni obviously is going to help in soil conservation by through roots da moi roots na ko sagi forest trees me am gi roots na sai soil erosion ta honde ko soil erosion ta moi na pha thamam erosion ta honde ba aduna soil conserve ta bursu mateng pangi na harak tu neba forest na hari ko then next pollution moderator oina wa habit kind of forest the hawa pambi mayam sina haitare ko moina pollution moderator oina sum mateng pange ba ko mioi bada kamai na ngasagi ko na air pollution nga thoi ba ko adagi then noise pollution nga thoi mayam se mo na moderate to bungam halle ba forest sina kamai no yeng si ko forest the how is kaino trees ne high re na tra the trees ko they can absorb the toxic gases mayam air da phango mayam do ko absorb to bungam me ba through what through the stomata mo the stomata have a minute pores am yawi na ko mai manada aduduna ngasai gi toxic gases mam absorb torani habdi yam phazan effectively filter to bangam me haba toxic gases me am from air ko nushit phang nushit yawba toxic gases me am do stomata gi through the ko pambi chang aga man filter to the mateng pange ba thus reducing the air pollution habi yare ko forest na then again noise pollution ju mana control tawe kamai taroga masagi forest ta phangba ko uwam hadi u mayam do makhoida khoina makhal gi variety of plants phangi trees phangi ko aduna makhoi khara da thick branches leiba manada oigera wood oigera ko then even more thick branches oigera they can absorb the noise thus acting as a moderator for noise pollution harak pe yai ko there was about the masagi ecological services provided by the forest ko next let's see about the deforestation. So you have been hearing this word from the lower classes also, what is deforestation, right? So here deforestation, hi ko, deforestation di kaino. Ko, ngasagi cutting down of trees to bune ko na chamtam na deforestation na hi ko. Ado kay do bagitaw of deforestation do. So here to accommodate ko the increasing population, more land for housing and even agriculture, natra agriculture taw na below ko. Then then even housing ko yum sana bo agera ko khodi human population nom gi increase tor iba adu mayam na manap to bangam na ba adu mayam do occupy haidi adu mayam accommodate to bangam na ba jaga dar ka lai they need space right so kudu ba mo khina large scale of trees se mo na forest area de remove to ba hore ba And that cutting of trees in large scale to accommodate the increasing population that we known as the deforestation level. Adu tadi ka doba ngasai haiba deforestation na kari akoy de mangzaba lahangi deforestation gi effect to karino mana kari thohangi hai tar gadi ke haiba yara it can result in the loss of biodiversity haibdi ngasai various life forms mayam do adu mang tak pa yare haibdi kaino ngasai gi forest jaga occupy tar dominant trees mayam dominant tar jaga de lere not only trees khatan la table re midudi there are plant animals mayam larini small animals macha mayam then even microbes ko min udaba organism mayam su hai mafam the natural habitat ni masagi mo koi mayum ni khal laizarami ne ba adu mayam do cut down taw khadi there is loss of biodiversity. Then damage of natural habitats makogi natural habitats sai sanga mayam du gi laizaramba natural habitats manghalle then even it causes soil erosion so tholani. Then many tribes practice shifting cultivation torami tribes sense na kadoba makoina increase the forest or land is cleared for cultivation makoina cultivation taw na ba forest jaga karam koktho ani haibadi plants kakhalani then they left for a new area kakhalaga makoina atoba jaga am do shift taw doni kadona ba masagi jaga do masagi fertile oib matam bhawba ngairaga until its fertility is naturally restored mon sinaba lora mathangda atoba jaga am shift tawroge shift tori matam da suna kangi hangba jaga do amu kedoba restore to hondone moi fertility do adu matam da moi amu halak to ne ba shifting cultivation hai sini then as a consequence of deforestation deforestation tawbana maram ora atopa mayam effect mayam su lai moina not only kasigi hai hi ba moi gi sanga sin the habitat manghan ba diversity loss tawba adu da natana kedoba rainfall affect our then my soil fertility is loss ani then even it leads to landslides in hilly areas in the landslide ka thoi idena adu mayam da su deforestation effect ne ba uba ka thalaga di masana landslide thorop tamni netra then even many wildlife species are threatened makhoi gi punsi da singna ba su la eba like mang ba yabagi extinct oba yabagi chance la eba like wildlife species mayam sigi. So in order to protect our environment from the above consequences of deforestation, we need to what? We need to restore an ecological balance. Ecological balance proper darkar like that ecological balance we can maintain through the conservation of forest. So let's see how we can conserve the forest. Kamai targa ko na forest se conserve tawni kamai targa conserve tawni have yeng si so reserve forest have ne that is the forest under protection adu mayam su to conserve tawni have the yeng si first point da ko na haiba yari bise establishment of national parks, sanctuaries, biosphere reserves and all the ecologically fragile areas mayam do adugum mayam do ko establish tawba. What we can do is that we have to prevent the exploitation of flora and fauna for commercial purposes. Moina sanga the plants and animals mayam moi commercial purpose ki damak mon exploit tawdo ko thing ba darkar lae. Then also we have to prevent the cutting of trees for fuel or for consumption of fodder by the cattle. Adugo mayam su thing ba darkar la ani and to fulfill the real goal of eco development public support is needed. The public support ni so yam fazaba example amalay paski wari da habidi a very good example for the public support in conservation of forest habidi kaino is the Chipko movement. Chipko movement habamalay and that's a very good example for public support. Means Chipko movement sa kaino Chipko is Chipko habawahi sa kaino kuna Chipko hindi da kana Chipko embrace to ba English ha kana embrace to ba Chipko habisi hindi word ni ko aseng badi adu English da kana ma se embrace to ba konsan ba habado ni ba adu sige movement se kamay no yang si it's a non violent movement hingsa yaudna yam ingtap na chathaba khalgi protest ni movement ni kadona ba na hatab da for the protection or conservation of trees and forests ni ba from being destroyed habidi ngasagi Uttarakhand gi Tehri Garhwal district da kedoba contractors mayams na mogi logging contractors habidi u kakpa mayams na moina kedoba moina u si kakpa lak matam da moi da lairiba jaga da lairiba villages mayams na u do kakpa yaroi haiduna thingba oina moina u sing da kolaga embrace taraga laibido adu makhalgi adu bu akoina Chipko movement haina khangna ki and next akoina conserve how to conserve forest magi yeng si ko poina maga by extensive planting of trees through afforestation programs. Habdi kaino paksanna paktakna na pambi thaba ko kamai ta conserve tawni habigi pambai amani ko siswa paktakna na pambi tharaba kado kamai taroga through various afforestation programs habidi kaino pambi thabagi planting of trees to programs meam ko sarkar no ogira by government no ogira non government organizations meam no ogira ko makoina afforestation program meam ko launch toroga paktakna na ko paktakna na pambi thaba planting of trees toroba ado dadi kuna forest su haidi kamai kitang conserve to bungam ni ko. Then thirdly, we can say that we can adopt social forestry and agroforestry. Ko hari ba ani si tawraga so adum concept to bangame ko. Like in social forestry kado gi hamatamda the trees and shrubs ko pambi choba machalay dina dumam they are planted in where unused areas like sides of the road, rail tracks dugum da pambi thabiba. Mapam manghanda na haitare ko adamay tawraga so dum concept to bayay. Not only that, we can use how to say agroforestry. Agroforestry have the planting of trees to karaida trees and shrubs to karaida around the or among the crops crops thaidana ko crops gi nakanda ogera marak to ogera kuna macha pambi achu ogera macha ogera mafam chana chana thabiraba habidi afforestation to biraba planting of trees to biraba ko adu ta di kedoba adumai targo so koina conserve to bunga meba foresting se. Not only this above three mentioned steps used to provide protection and conservation of trees, like the Forest Conservation Act 1980, which was enacted to provide conservation of forests, and which was further again amended among 1988 to take strict penal provisions against violators. So that's about the natural resources and their kinds, and about the one of the renewable resources, that is forest, and various ways to conserve it. So that's come the end of today's class. Let's meet in next class.